Question 4. How did you use new media technologies in planning? Thornstein Veblen said that technologies determine society, 1921. I agree with this, and digital technologies were important for me in all stages of production. Digital technologies also allowed me to be creative when planning the music video and ancillary products that back up Banji Bain and Buckingham's theory 2010 that creativity isn't inherent, but it's due to new technologies. I use various new media technologies when planning my music video and ancillary products. I used Prezi to create an online presentation for my media pitch to show my class my ideas for my music video. I use this rather than using Microsoft PowerPoint because it allows me to easily put YouTube videos on the presentation, and I can play the video on the presentation without having to go onto YouTube's website. An example of when I did this was when I put short clips of editing techniques from other music videos such as Ellie Goulding Your Song in the video together by using Windows Movie Maker. Non-linear editing Gauntlet 2007. Then uploaded it to YouTube, then added it to my presentation on Prezi. Prezi is interactive because of Web 2.0, O'Reilly 2004, so I was able to talk through the presentation while showing it to the class, meaning that the class was able to get accurate information about the codes and conventions that I wanted to pastiche. When my group and I were bringing our ideas together, we used Bubbleless to create a bubble diagram of all of our ideas for the music video. We used this rather than writing on paper because we knew our diagrams would be safer on the internet than on paper, and we won't lose them because they're in one place. Cloud Computing, MacArthur, 1961. And the technology allows us to be creative, which backs up Banji Bain and Buckingham's creativity theory, 2010. We can easily add the diagrams onto our blogs. We used WordPress.com to create our blogs, which we all posted our appendices, ideas and final products on, which means that all of our work is together in one place and it's easier to access. Web 2.0 allowed us to document our secondary research on our blogs by being able to view the music videos on our blog rather than having to go on a different website, for example youtube.com. Music videos we looked at as part of our secondary research was Ellie Goulding Your Song and Taylor Swift and Ed Sheeran, Everything Has Changed. These helped us to learn about the codes and conventions of acoustic genre music videos, for example the music video being a hybrid and the use of voyeurism to make the video seem more personal so the audience can relate to it. When presenting our media pitch to a class, we sent our questionnaire that we made on surveymonkey.com to everyone in the class as part of our primary research so that they could give us accurate and relevant feedback so that they could fill it in while watching our media pitch. A qualitative question we asked was, do you think our music video idea is relevant to the genre of our chosen song and why? And the feedback we all got said that our ideas are relevant to the genre, which is acoustic, and the reasons included the target audience being able to relate to the music video, it's earthy therefore it will match the genre, it links clearly and it's well combined. When looking back at our feedback from the questionnaire, surveymonkey.com automatically put some of the answers into graphs and charts for us, so this made it easier for us to see the results and made it more presentable and professional when we added it to our blogs. This feedback we received was useful to us, but they weren't part of the subculture that we were targeting, so the feedback could be classed as invalid. We made our storyboard on paper, but we decided to make our animatic video using our storyboard on Windows Movie Maker, non-linear editing Gauntlet 2007, because we were able to quickly and easily put the video together. This also allowed us to practice anchoring visuals to audio for when we started to edit our music video. Therefore we could practice the codes and conventions of music videos. Goodwin, 1992. We used a scanner to scan in the storyboards onto the computer, then we cropped each box out and put them in order of how we wanted the video to look on the timeline. If we were to do this again, we would use social networking sites such as Facebook to share our ideas and plans with people, including in our target audience, so we can get regular audience feedback, Clark et al. 2007, which means we were able to change our ideas according to the feedback during planning, so we will have less changes to make once we produce the products. We reduce Facebook because our target audience are digital natives and will already have a Facebook account, and it will make it easier to communicate with them. To be able to use all of these new media technologies is essential to create our products.